Yes, Karthik, please ask your doubt.
Yes, so my doubt is regarding the last time revision regarding
Hmm.
static and the current affairs.
Hmm.
As I'm living in Delhi, in
Hmm.
the last few days, I have been overwhelmed with the current affairs, sir. So I'm feeling that I'm able to revise my static.
Hmm.
But regarding the current affairs, I'm not feeling confident because I have not revised it ample amount of time. And
Hmm.
seeing people revising current affairs out there,
Hmm.
there is
Hmm.
a element of fear in my mind that
Hmm.
I think that questions might come from the current affairs and I won't be able to attempt it rightly.
Hmm. Okay. So how to deal with that? Prabha,
Yes,
batao.
Yes, so Karthik
especially for the
first.
last 10 days.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, we'll address that. So now tell me one thing, Karthik. You said you've revised current you've revised it
Static.
sometimes, but you're not happy how many times you've revised it, right?
Yes,
You've
ma'am.
probably read the newspaper or a compilation, है ना? उतना
Yes,
किया है?
ma'am. Yes,
एक
ma'am.
बार
Yes,
कर दिया है, whatever, ठीक है. So we'll address it in two parts. Let me just open. Now the two parts to this is, the first part is if you are feeling inherently that if you see a current question and you'll feel like you've not studied question current only, then I would say अगर जो भी सॉस किया था उसका अगर अंडरलाइन है या नोट्स है, just take 1 day to revise, 1 or 2 days, just break from static, break from your simulations, you can do that.
yes,
But
ma'am.
30% of your time, 20-30%, that's it. Even when you do that, you will make static linkages. And now I
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to the second important component here. I will show you guys how some questions, even though they get tagged as current questions, you can solve them with your static knowledge. All right, let's try that. Just 1 second. Here it is. Okay. I will share my screen. So now the outcome, my objective here is to give you confidence that you will be able to solve a lot of the current questions with common sense and presence of mind without panicking. So now, let me just share this. Here we are, slideshow. All right, let's look at this. Sir, एक काम करें क्या? Should we open this and किसी type का polling, if people can put their answers in chat, because this exercise is very effective if it's done live.
Okay.
So this is from Sir's channel. If you, I think everyone can see it here. Otherwise, ये channel पे है. 1 minute. Let me just turn on the pen now. So if you look at this, imagine yourself back in 2022 and
23 के क्वेश्चन कुछ 22 वाला कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं अभी?
ये
अच्छा,
वाला 22.
ओके, हाँ.
So 2022, we are seated and we read this question. We read these two terms. Imagine this being the first question. Series A, first question. Okay. Now you look at these terms: rapid financing instrument and rapid credit facility. Immediately, sometimes what happens is we self-analyze during the paper itself and we think that, oh no, this is from current and I hadn't read these terms in my current preparation. So you might panic. And a lot of people who are risk averse may not even try it. But what you have to do, and sir used to teach us this, you have to take a macro look. Like sir was saying ना कि काफी ये चीजें meditative भी होती हैं. आपको spiritually जो देखना है जो sir बोल रहे थे, what does that mean? Take a step back, look at the macro of the question, see it from a little bit of distance and try to see what is UPSC trying to communicate to you, okay? So rapid financing instrument and rapid credit facility. UPSC has even gone to the extent of saying that they are related to provisions of lending. Itna bhi bata diya UPSC ne. It didn't need to tell you this. But what you will do is, sir used to tell us a word breakdown. Words have meaning. So words have meaning. So you have to really think. Now imagine instead of panicking that you haven't read this in your current preparation, just break it down. Rapid financing instrument, rapid credit facility. Again, provisions of lending. By which of the following? Quickly in chat, can all of you just write which answer you think it should be? फटाफट सब डाल दो बस chat में, so I get a sense of what's happening. Just quickly, okay.
Most will say B now. सब PYQs पढ़ के आए हैं.
है ना सच में? This is actually a very good sign. Anyone who thinks it should be A, D, B or C or D, please let us know, and it's important that you make the mistake here. मतलब very bravely, everyone else just put your order खराब हो जाएगा क्या?
Ma'am,
चल ठीक है.
the first time I saw this question, I
हाँ.
thought कि C could be eliminated because it is related to environment. So
Okay.
I came down to A, B, D.
हाँ.
But I didn't know anything about that after
Great.
that.
ठीक है. Who is speaking? Can I know your name?
Poonam.
पूनम, अभी फटाफट देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? अब क्या होगा इसमें, रैपिड की बात हो रही है, फाइनेंसिंग की बात हो रही है. नाउ देयर आर सम हीरो कीवर्ड्स. Here what happens is sometimes when we get too swayed by lending, no, we might miss the hero keyword as rapid. Rapid meaning urgent. And the thing with ADB and World Bank both. See, if it could be ADB, it could also be World Bank. Both have a similar nature, both have a similar mandate to some extent. Regionally farak padta hai, but they both deal with development and they deal with, I hope everyone can see this, they deal with long-term gestation, long gestation projects, right? Like building bridges, building social infrastructure. So that's why unko rapid ki jagah they'll need long-term stuff. Rapid means urgency. And that's why everyone who answered IMF, they are right. It's urgent. So that's one thing. This is the first evidence I want to give you to think that if a current question comes, don't panic. Apply your mind. Because this is literally the first question that came, okay? Let's try this next and everyone just put it on the chat. Climate action tracker. Now again, see, UPSC is helping you out here, which monitors the emission reduction pledges of different countries. Now, a lot of us if we've not done topic-wise PYQ analyses, we will miss the fact that UPSC is giving you a helping hand. It is giving you an aid here to tell you that, hey, listen, even if you've not heard climate action tracker, I am telling you what it does. Okay? So have confidence, befriend UPSC, like sir and I were telling you earlier, think of it as a friend. So ये helping hand दे दिया. अब chat में सब डाल दो क्या लगता है question answer, even though I know that everyone would have known this. Everyone just flood it. Okay. ठीक है. If there's anybody who thinks it should be IPCC, UNFCCC or this agency, the hero keyword here again is tracker. As soon as you nail down tracker, what happened is when people started overthinking. Oh, and so I actually have to tell you this. This question may, let's just take a step back and go back to our 2022 question on rapid financing. There were some very brave aspirants who shared their overthinking. And what they thought is maybe during COVID, World Bank, maybe during COVID, Bablu, just be careful of your pointer, na? I think your pointer says scratch.
Right.
Okay. So, what they thought is COVID के time पे शायद World Bank या ADB ने rapid निकाल दिया होगा. Now, this is another lesson. Are we overthinking? Are we giving ourselves much more explanation and trying to think other ways on finding the answer? ये भी देखना है. तो basically इसमें hero keyword क्या था? Coming back to the 2022 question, tracker. And tracker मतलब database. Basically ये था. Last question I'll try to prove to you why you shouldn't panic in current questions and you can use your logic. Is 2023 question. Everyone, if you can just flood the chat with what you think should be the answer. I'm looking at it. We're on 2023, which talks about invasive species specialist group. Okay. Okay. If there's anyone else who doesn't think it's A, we'll discuss that. Again, helping hand from UPSC. What is it? Even if you've not heard of this, UPSC is telling you that, listen, I'm talking about the group that develops global invasive species database. Again, database. So what happens is when you read it with a little, you take a step back and usko dhyan se padhte ho with spiritual perspective or even kya bolenge, macro perspective, you'll know that IUCN makes the red data book as well. You'll be able to apply that basic knowledge from static or static ka hi hai, red data book vagera. And you'll know कि it cares about the fact that endangered statuses वगैरह IUCN status होता है ना, वो यहाँ से आता है. So here, now I want to look at all of you. Are you slightly convinced that if there's a keyword that comes in the question, even if it's the first question of your paper, will you not panic and tell yourself that your current affairs preparation is bad? Can you promise us that? Right? So अभी जब वापस जाओगे और ये questions करोगे ना, बस थोड़ा सा देख लेना how many of these questions can you do with logic or common sense. बस इतना करना है. So yeah, I think it was Karthik's question, na? Current.
Karthik, yes.
So Karthik, again summary. Just take a day or something to revise your notes. अगर FOMO हो रहा है कि पढ़ाई नहीं की है. And other than that, PYQ simulation. So there'll be an order, right? PYQ simulations are important. Then CSAT
Yes,
is
sir.
important. Then
Yes,
you can
sir.
do your static revision if you want, the way Rakesh sir mentioned. And then you can see current ka thoda 10-20% of your total time
Yes, sir.
you are giving to current revision. Only
Yes,
so
sir.
that you're not feeling FOMO. That's it.
Ma'am, because ma'am, after analyzing the PYQs, ma'am, the thing I found was that, ma'am, questions could be indirectly solved by your prior knowledge base,
Yeah.
not the actual not the actual current affairs.
Yes.
So due to this, I have neglected, because last year, what a great mistake that I made in my 2023 attempt that I was associated with some institute. It is not an offline based institute, an online mentor. So he used to make compilations of around 450, 500 pages for each subject. For example, science and tech environment.
At this stage, if there's anything that is taking you away from UPSC PYQs,
Yes, ma'am.
avoid that. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
because you mentioned that you are in a particular city, we use the
Yes,
term
ma'am.
called
No,
content terrorism.
ma'am,
There's something known as
I'm
content
sharing my
terrorism.
learning experience from my past attempt, ma'am. That last year I was completely ignoring the static and I was madly reading those current affair magazines. And in the 2023 examinations, I marked down even the few basic questions from the history that could be easily solvable if I have read the static question well.
Good, done. Well done.
This exam is not about current affairs, Karthik. It's about basic knowledge. If you practice PYQs well, you start to see even in history, there will be, very factual, very hard, concrete data statement, and there will be statement which are talking more of ideas and more of concepts. उसमें भी पता लगने लगता है कि यार ये probably ट्रू होता है, प्रॉब्ली फॉल्स होता है, उसमें भी जजमेंट आ जाती है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट डूइंग PYQs रिपीटेडली. तो करंट अफेयर्स की टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. उसमें भी करंट अफेयर्स में भी only those most important things which you will actually come to know when you see PYQs, previous year papers देखो, उससे पता चलेगा करंट अफेयर्स का कितना है.
Yes, sir. Like places in news need to be revised, sir, because every year 2 or 3 questions are repeated.
हाँ.
In places of
एग्जैक्टली वो जब क्वेश्चन देखो, जैसे रैपिड फाइनेंसिंग वाला था, ये कोई कर नहीं सकता. ट्रिक्लोसान वाला क्वेश्चन था, कोई नहीं कर सकता. बाद में क्लेम कर लो भाई ठीक है हमारी में दिया था. वो जब पढ़ रहे हो बुक तब नहीं पता चलता कि वो क्वेश्चन आएगा, तब अनइम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन लगती है वो.
Yes, sir.
तो उसके ऊपर ना जाके व्हाट इज एक्चुअली अंडर योर कंट्रोल एंड व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन सिविल सर्विसेज, द how much you know is not really important, but how well you know what you know is important. So basics, static basics are more important, and बाकी तो information के लिए तो दुनिया जहान आजकल तो जनरेटिव AI सब कुछ. and this is why I feel in the coming years this exam is going to be even more application based, even more logical thinking based, and the share of knowledge heaviness, वो जो 30 क्वेश्चन बोलते 30 35 होते तो वो घटता ही चला जाएगा. 23 में 20 क्वेश्चन थे ऐसे जो जिनको बोलेंगे कि बिल्कुल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चन थे, इजी वाले जो बोलेंगे. because knowledge awareness is not important. Important is the ability to use the knowledge. तो उसके ऊपर तुम काम करो, ज्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो चीजें याद करने पे, कम याद करो बट अच्छे से याद करो ताकि उसको अप्लाई ढंग से कर सको. We'll have to speed this session a little bit. I've got a class from 9 p.m. so we'll have to be quick with the questions. So that will be all from my side. Karthik, is your doubt cleared?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Swastika, please ask.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Sir, I just wanted to ask about simulation versus mock test, the coaching mocks. The last test was I attempted was Abhyas third,